Welcome back to Queezers. Let's get started with 50 extremely difficult would you rather dilemmas. If you're new here, subscribe to our channel for more games just like this. Let's start. Would you rather be stung by a wasp or be bitten by a scorpion? Would you rather sit on the edge of a skyscraper or be stuck in a small dark place? Would you rather be in a room with 50 mosquitoes for 5 minutes or be in a room with 50 spiders for 5 minutes? Would you rather delete your Instagram account or delete your TikTok account? Would you rather lose your phone forever or like this video right now? Would you rather be allergic to your pet or be allergic to your favorite food? Would you rather have all your text messages become public or have all the photos on your phone become public? Would you rather fly with the world's worst pilot or get treated by the world's worst dentist? Would you rather have family but no friends or have friends but no family? Would you rather receive $1 million right now or flip a coin for $100 million? Would you rather live without memes or live without emojis? Would you rather use someone else's toothbrush or wear someone else's clothes? Would you rather give up Netflix forever or give up YouTube forever? Would you rather be alone forever or be in a relationship with someone you hate? Would you rather drop your phone or drop your cat? Would you rather change your age whenever you want or change your gender whenever you want? Would you rather always have slow internet or subscribe to this channel right now? Would you rather eat the same food daily or give up social media forever? Would you rather sell your house or sell your pet? Would you rather only tell lies or only speak the truth no matter what? Would you rather survive an earthquake or survive a tsunami? Would you rather feed a starving child first or feed a starving dog first? Would you rather eat a live spider or drink a cockroach smoothie? Would you rather lose all your teeth or lose all your hair? Would you rather never shower again or never brush your teeth again? Would you rather walk barefoot on sharp Lego bricks or walk barefoot on burning hot sand? Would you rather sleep in a haunted house alone or spend a night in a jungle full of wild animals? Would you rather wear a sweater made of cactus or wear socks that are always wet? Would you rather shave your head completely or dye your hair bright pink permanently? Would you rather be chased by a swarm of bees or be chased by a hungry bear? Would you rather eat a sandwich filled with worms or eat a pizza covered in cockroaches? Would you rather be stuck in an elevator with a clown or be stuck in an elevator with a giant snake? Would you rather have a parrot that never stops talking or have a dog that sings loudly every night? Would you rather only eat raw onions for a week or only drink pickle juice for a week? Would you rather wear clown shoes every day or wear a giant cowboy hat everywhere? Would you rather have a mosquito follow you everywhere or have a fly land on your food every meal? Would you rather always smell like rotten eggs or always smell like garbage? Would you rather be slapped in the face with a fish or get hit in the face with a pie? Would you rather only eat extremely spicy food forever or only eat extremely sour food forever? Would you rather always talk in a robotic voice or always talk like a baby? Would you rather step in dog poop or subscribe to this channel? Would you rather have wild nose hairs or go completely bald? Would you rather have a cat-sized elephant or have a dog-sized giraffe? Would you rather be a giant or be a tiny fairy? Would you rather get hit in the face with a water balloon or get hit in the face with a cake? Would you rather be stuck on a roller coaster for 24 hours or be stuck in a horror movie for 24 hours? Would you rather only be able to whisper forever or only be able to scream forever? Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.